Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. My name is Ahmad Farish bin Ahmad Fuad. Number metric 230000187. Today, I would like to talk about Takaful, a Sharia compliant system of financial protection that plays a significant role in Islamic finance. In a world full of uncertainties such as accidents, illnesses, and unexpected financial difficulties, Takaful provides a structured and ethical way for individuals and families to manage risk while staying aligned with Islamic principles. Takaful is often compared to conventional insurance, but in reality, both systems are fundamentally different. Conventional insurance is based on the concept of risk transfer, where the risk is transferred from the policyholder to the insurance company. In contrast, Takaful is based on risk sharing, where participants collectively agree to support one another in times of need. This difference reflects the Islamic values of cooperation. The word takaful originates from the Arabic term kafala, which means guarantee or mutual responsibility. In practice, takaful refers to a system where participants contribute a certain amount of money into a common fund. This fund is then used to provide financial assistance to any participants who experience a loss due to events such as death, disability, illness, accidents, or damage to property. One of the most important aspects of takaful is its compliance with Sharia principles. Takaful avoids riba, which refers to interest and is prohibited in Islam because it can lead to injustice and exploitation. It also avoids gharar, meaning excessive uncertainty in contracts, and maisir, which involves gambling or speculation. By eliminating these prohibited elements, Takaful ensures that all financial dealings are ethical, transparent, and fair. Takaful operates based on several key principles. The first principle is tabarruk, or voluntary contribution. Participants agree that part of their contribution will be treated as a donation to help others who are facing difficulties. This reflects the spirit of generosity and brotherhood in Islam. The second principle is ta'awun, which means mutual cooperation. Under this principle, participants help one another rather than acting purely for personal gain. Another important principle is mutual guarantee, where all participants share responsibility for losses faced by the group. Additionally, all funds must be invested only in halal and Sharia compliant activities. From an operational perspective, Takaful is managed by a Takaful operator. The operator acts as an administrator or manager of the fund on behalf of the participants. Importantly, the operator does not own the fund. The fund belongs collectively to the participants. The operator earns income through Sharia-approved contracts such as wakalah, which the operator receives a management fee, or mudarabah, where profits from investments are shared between participants and the operator. There are several types of takaful designed to meet different needs. First, family takaful focuses on long-term financial protections and saving. It provides financial support to families in the event of death, total permanent disability, or critical illness. General takaful covers short-term risks related to assets such as cars, home, businesses, and personal belongings. Medical takaful helps cover healthcare costs, including hospitalization, surgeries, and medical treatments. Despite their differences, all these types of takaful are based on the same core principles of mutual assistance and shared responsibility. To better understand how takaful works, let us consider a real-life example. Imagine a university graduate who has just started working and decides to participate in a family Takaful plan. Every month, the participant contributes a small amount of Takaful fund. One day, the participant is involved in a serious accident and becomes unable to work for a long period. Through Takaful, financial assistance is provided from the share fund to support participants and their family. This support reduces financial stress during a difficult times and show how collective contribution can make a real difference in someone's life. Another examples involve medical takaful. Consider a student who unexpectedly requires surgery due to a serious illness. Without medical coverage, the cost of hospitalization and treatment could be overwhelming. However, with medical takaful, the medical expenses are covered by the takaful fund. In this situation, the student benefits from the collective support of other participants, illustrating the practical value of takaful in everyday life. General takaful can also be explained through a real life scenario. For instance, a small business owner purchases takaful coverage for their shop. If a fire breaks out and damages the premise, the financial loss could be devastating. Through general takaful, a compensation is paid from the shared fund, allowing the business owner to recover and continue operation. This not only protects individuals but also supports economic stability within the community. The operational process of takaful can be summarized in three main stages. First, participants make their regular contribution to the takaful fund. And the second, the accumulated funds are managed and invested by the operator in Sharia compliant investments to ensure long-term sustainability. Third, when a covered event occurs, compensation is paid from the fund to the affected participant. In some cases, if there is a surplus after claims and expenses, it may be distributed back to the participants according to the takaful model. The importance of takaful extends beyond individual financial protection. Takaful contributes to social welfare by reducing the financial burden caused by unexpected events. It promotes ethical financial behavior and strengthens the sense of unity and cooperation within society. For Muslims, takaful offers peace of mind, knowing that their financial protection aligns with Islamic teaching. In today's modern and unstable world, risks are unavoidable. Accidents, illnesses, and financial challenges can happen at any time. Takaful helps individuals and families prepare for these risks in a responsible and ethical way. It encourages financial planning while maintaining a balance between material needs and spiritual values. In conclusion, takaful is more than just an alternative to conventional insurance. It is a comprehensive system of protection rooted in Islamic principles such as justice, mutual help, and shared responsibility. By participating in takaful, individuals not only protect themselves and their families but also contribute to the well-being of the wider community. This makes takaful a sustainable and ethical solution for financial protection in the modern world. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum.